Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing great today. And so you guys, first outfit that I got, this one is from the spirit of Halloween. It is this, it says very stretchy, very nice. Like I told you guys, I will link everything in the description box. Hey guys, the next one that I got is this nun outfit right here. This beautiful one, no, focus on me. This one right here, oh, I got the whole outfit, guys. I got everything and I got a Bible. God, please forgive me. It's an older lady and she looked fabulous, and I'm like, that would be a good Halloween costume. So when I head to Fashion Nova and I got this right here. Ew, I love the fringe on it. Such as the next outfit is the outfit of Cruella de Vil. Oh, and that's it. I'm gonna put it on and I'll be right back.